Hello, I'm Erin Nicolainas Beltran from 7 Euclid. Today I'm going to teach you how to create addition table in Microsoft Excel. First, let's open Microsoft Excel. Then type 1 and 2 in this column, and also in this row. Then highlight 1 and 2, press the fill handle, and drag it down up to 101. Also here, up to row CW. Then write the formula on the formula bar. Then drag it down and up to 101. And up to row CW. And then highlight and also highlight column A. And last, rename and that's it. Our addition table is done.